besides that, they say it's good luck, and I do believe it because my luck did change. They say it's good luck. I got shitted on my first year of college when my first year playing, and I was in the NBA after that. It works. But I got shitted on about 4 or 5 times. But besides that, so it was when we in my school.
Did shit on your lip though? That's the worst.
to go to where we stay, like our dorms, whatever, we had to walk to this field, and every day it'd be a whole field full of birds. They feed them there, so we all together, birds move. So one day I'm by my motherfucking step. I'm like, damn, fuck it, let me try it. So I was like, they all flew up and flew back down. They attacked me, dog.
Got your ass because they smelled the bitch. Jose got the pavo, the pan, the tomate, the lechuga, the tomate. I already said tomate, the queso, the pavo. How do you say sandwich? El sandwich? The turkey sandwich?